Hello everyone, my name is Edward Murray and this is my video review for Project 3 of MUX Term 1309. So this week we had to take our prototype and some of the user input we received last week on our testing and make some changes and implement some changes. So some of the changes I did um, to make my branding a little more distinguishable from other apps, I went ahead and created this little logo that can be recognizable for my application. I also uh, lightened the application a little bit. That way it's a little easier to read outside with the glare and everything. A brighter application tends to be more visible. I also added some different colors for the different buttons on the main screen. This way, not all of them are just that same gray color. It kind of breaks up the monotony of the application. Um, some of the other things I did on the main screen, instead of having share this application with your friends and then the Facebook and Twitter icons, I went ahead and dumbed it down, so to speak, and just have the share with your friends link, which there was another suggestion to just use the standard share icon with the box and the arrow that a lot of other uh, applications utilize. But I dumbed it down to this week, and when you click on it, it just kind of pops up a little box with the Facebook and Twitter icon. Instead of having it, jumbled on the screen, it kind of makes it less clustered. A couple of the other things were when you go into another section of the application, I got rid of the word home. I just added a little icon. I think that's a little more recognizable, a little easier on the eyes, and just looks a little bit cleaner than having the word home written on there. Did the same thing with fantasy players and also added a plus button, um, which is a lot better than having the word add for the same reasons as home. It just uses up less space and looks a lot cleaner. Didn't really make many changes to the ad player. Done is kind of the standard for finishing a task. Um, and I believe that's it for this week. Um, I went ahead and created a new survey with some different questions on it and did another round of user testing. And the first question was, what is your overall impression of the changes to the design of the app? A lot of the users said it's getting much better. They like it a lot better with the colors and the icons and everything. Was the brand more distinguishable this go around? I know a lot of my users said it wasn't really that distinguishable with the logo and everything. It really helped out with being able to recognize it from other apps like it. Were the new icons for home and add more recognizable than having just the text? Everybody actually said yes to this. Um, Everybody liked that idea of adding just icons. And did the change to the share feature create a better looking and less cluttered main screen? Everybody else also said yes to this as well. And nobody wrote in the comment box. I should have made that required, um, but that's it for this week. Had a lot of fun. Still a couple of things I want to change. I kind of want to add to it a little bit more, brighten it up a little bit, and for the final turn in of the prototype. But overall, I think it looks good. I think it functions good, and I look forward to the next week.